So guys, today I have a really great theory for all of you, a really great FNAF theory. So guys, the theory that is Toy Chica is back. So guys, you remember back in FNAF 2 there were new animatronics called the Toy Animatronics, and they had Toy Bonnie, Toy Freddy, Toy Chica. So they're all back. And guys, right now in the latest game, Security Breach, that is going to be launched in about some time. So guys, in this game, let me just tell you, this is literally the best thing, the best theory you have ever seen on this channel, because this is my first ever theory. And guys, this is a 300 sub special, so thank you for 300 subs. And guys, the theory is that Toy Chica is the same as the Glamrock Chica. Sorry, the Glamrock animatronics, the Glamrock Chica is the same remodeled and reskinned version of the Toy Chica. You want evidence? The first evidence is that, let's just see on this picture that is coming up right now. Toy Chica, look at Toy Chica's face and material. It's all shiny plastic. And now look at Glamrock Chica's. It's very slim and it's shiny. The same material as Toy Chica, and Toy Chica has 3 toes, Toy Chica has 3 toes, and Glamrock Chica also has 3 toes. Glamrock Chica has 4 fingers, and Toy Chica also has 4 fingers. So that basically proves that Toy Chica and Glamrock Chica are the same. Just the only difference is that Glamrock Chica is a remodeled version of the Toy Chica that everybody likes, and Glamrock Chica is basically the newest, I think, version of Toy Chica. So the second theory is that, guys, the hand that we see at the end of the trailer, some people say that it's a Scrap Trap's hand. But guys, what I think is that it's more of a nightmarish hand. It's a Nightmare Bonnie hand. You can see it with those sharp claws. I'll just pull up the image over here. Now you can see Scrap Trap's hand. It doesn't have claws because those are not claws, but they are actually fingers, the bones of William Afton. And now the picture that you're seeing is Nightmare Bonnie's, and you can see the similarities. Nightmare Bonnie's hand is the one coming out. So does this mean that the Nightmare animatronics were actually real and they have come to life in this new game? Guys, this game is going to be really amazing. I just don't know what to do and what to say, because guys, this game is literally mind blown. And guys, this is also a 300 sub special, so thank you so much for that. Thank you for 300 subs. I'm sorry it's been 2 weeks since I uploaded. I promise to upload constant. But guys, if you like these theories, comment down below and tell me if you like them, that I'll do more of these FNAF content. Okay guys, now let's move on to the third theory. The third theory is that the same thing that I was talking about, is that all the animatronics will help Gregory in Security Breach. They will help Gregory, the child that is stuck in the mall. They will help him escape from Vanessa, whatever you want to call it. So he will try to escape like it's supposed to be done. And right now my voice must be really echoey because I'm actually recording in a room. It's all empty, just so not to interrupt the recording and make the video the terriblest video anyone can make. Sorry if my voice is very echoey, but you're gonna have to bear with me, because that's how it's hard to edit a video and all that. So guys, that is proven that the animatronics will help him, because in the trailer you can see that the first trailer that came out like 6, 7 or 8 months ago, Glamrock Freddy says that, Gregory, be quiet, I think she's found us. He says that. So he must be referring to as Vanny. And Vanny is the female killer in this. She's the only one that is killing people. Okay guys, so those were all of my theories. If you like this video, comment down below if you want more of these theories. And guys, thank you so much for all of the support that you've given me throughout this year. And guys, the last thing that I really want to say is that Please comment down below and please tell me your reviews of how well was the editing. I'm trying a new editing style. If you like it, then please tell. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.